Okay, this is the coffee machine video. That's a jug of water. That's a wire. 1 second. How do I focus? I think that's it. That's a wire filter device. And that's the cup size I'm going to be using. And that's the coffee machine. There. So I put the wire filter into the into the thing. Then that's the coffee I've got. 1 second. Can you see that from there? Yeah. I'm gonna put in. Right. That's size. I'll put in 3 of them. Close that up. Yeah, and what? Right, now I'm gonna fill that up, which currently has no water in it. I can't prove that because it's too dark, but it doesn't have any water in it. I'm going to fill that to the level on the side. This is very dark. I don't think I've got a torch. I'm going to fill that to where it's well, halfway between the 2 and 4 dot, so 3 cups. Okay. Oh. So that's now full to that level. So I'll switch that on, and in about 5 to 10 minutes that'll produce enough for that cup, even if it says 3 cups, of coffee to about the strength I like it. I'm doing it in like 3 things of that small spoon thing because the manual said for each cup to put in 1 of those spoons, and because the water thing on the side says 3 cups, I put in 3 spoons of that, even though it only makes 1 actual cup. I'm going to stop the video here because 5 minutes is a long time to wait, and probably not continue it. Though that amount of water only, well, it fills that cup about exact. There might be a tiny bit left over, but like so small that it's not noticeable. Okay, right.